In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install LSPDFR Mod in GTA 5. So first you'll go to Google. So I'm just gonna open a Google tab here. There it is, and now you want to go to this website, LSPDFR Mod. So it's lspdfrmod.com. So go to this website. So once you're on this website, you want to click here and make sure you have only this written. Then you want to type /lspdfr, then click enter. You're gonna get this window. Click download, and here you want to click download. So once you're on this page, you want to scroll down and you'll find this, download this file. Click on it and read through the agreement, and then once you agree, you want to install the setup. This one is the setup. So here, after you install, let me just wait for it to install. Here it's gonna take a few seconds. So after here it downloads, as you can see, I'll go to the downloads folder. Here it is. So after it downloads, before you open it, you want to make sure you have your GTA 5 doesn't have any other mods. So to clear your GTA 5 from any other mods, go to your Epic Games folder and go to GTA 5. Click on these three dots, click manage, and make sure to click verify files to clear and clean your GTA from other mods. So after you do this, now you want to go back to the downloaded folder. So I'm just gonna open it again. This is the one. Open the setup, and let me just click through this, and let me run this installer. So now as you run the installer, you just want to agree and do next. Here you want to put the GTA 5 folder. So to find the GTA 5 folder, go to Epic Games, and here you find the GTA 5, click the three dots, click manage, click on installation, click here, and you should find, you want to copy this like location and paste it here. And once you do this, click install. So after you finish the installation, go to your GTA 5 location. So this is the GTA 5 location folder. So here, if you scroll down, you'll find this folder has appeared. So open it. And so here, once you agree to the terms, you just accept. And then here you can change this console key if you want to your own, and here you want to probably change this one to 60,000, and then go to plugins and make sure you check on load all plugins on startup, and then you want to click save and launch. So once you open GTA 5 like this, you want to make sure that you select story mode with page with Rage plugin hook. So make sure you launch it through this one and just wait for it to load. So as you can see, the game has actually loaded for me. So once the game loads, you want to click on F4 and type in go to PD and hit enter. So it's gonna load you to this police department, and as you can see, you're already part of the police department. So you can basically go inside and just join the police here, as you can see. And that's all for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.